Hey guys, today I have a little bit of a shorter video giving you a specific tip in Novaro or just any Ragnarok Online server in general. So if you want to farm Golden Thiefbug card efficiently and quickly, then what I recommend is don't go to the Culvert. The Culvert sewer, there'll be a lot of people competing there, probably like one dude. And you know that one dude, he's gonna fight you for it, and you might not get the MVP card. You don't even know he could do anything. You don't want to compete over the MVP kill, and you're only gonna get so many golden thief bugs spawning there per day. It's like what, 2, 4, 6 at most per day. You don't want to do that. Instead, what you want to do is you want to go to Endless Tower. And on Novaro you can make the solo. If you're not on Novaro, then just make an alt account and hop on that one. Let them make the parties and keep on going in. But what you do is, in Endless Tower, you keep on going up until you get to floor 5. And floor 5 will always have a Golden Thief Bug MVP on it. So you can kill that Golden Thief Bug MVP. And that's a roll of the dice to try and get the card. That's a 1 in 5,000 chance. And you know, you could keep on doing this. Say you did 7 kills every day for a year. That's about 5,000 on average ish. My math might be a little bit off there, but you know, that's how you farm Golden Thief Bug card effectively. So if you want to farm Golden Thief Bug card, then that's the efficient way to do it. And you can do other MVPs. You could try Endless Cellar or Endless Tower, other floors if you want, but this is just how you farm Golden Thief Bug specifically really quickly. And if you were wondering what was on the next few floors, then floor number 10 has a Mistress, floor number 15 has a Fironi and a Maya, floor 20 has a Drake, and floor 25 has a Moonlight Flower. And if you're interested as to what's on the other floors or what's in Endless Cellar, then I'll leave a link to that in the description too. So yeah, that's all I have to say really. Have a nice day everyone. Peace and bye.